I bleed, you cry and I cry. We sleep and dream. Sometimes we sad, sometimes we're happy. You breathe, I breathe. We love, walk, talk and we smile. Have you thought about why we look the same and why we feel the same?